Hi guys, today I've got this really easy knotted bun hairstyle for you. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and I've popped the hair into a low ponytail. Next, we're going to divide this ponytail into 3 equal sections. So working on the far right section, all I'm going to do is split this in half and tie it together as if we were tying our shoelaces. So just create a knot and then simply keep creating these knots all the way down to the bottom of the hair and then tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then just repeat the same process on the other 2 sections. Once you've completed all 3 sections, we're going to start with that middle one, and I'm just going to take the tail ends of that knotted section halfway through the elastic band to create a loop. Now, holding on to that loop, I'm just going to roll it up that section until it reaches the elastic band and then just pin it all around with a few bobby pins to secure it to the head. Move on to the right hand section and again bring those tail ends part way through to create a loop. Roll this section up until it sits on the right hand side and again secure with a few bobby pins. Then just repeat the same steps on that last section, so make your loop, roll it up that knotted section until you meet the left hand side and secure in place. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.